Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove Toyota RAV4 seats, starting with essential preparation and gathering your tools. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface with the parking brake engaged. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery and wait about 30 minutes to allow any airbag backup power to dissipate. You will need a socket wrench set, likely with 14mm or 9/16" sockets, an extension, a ratchet, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly pliers. Have some small containers ready for bolts and parts. Now let's tackle the rear seats. Start by removing the headrests, then slide the seats all the way back and recline them for easier access. You'll find plastic covers over the bolts at the front of the seat base. Gently pry these off with a flathead screwdriver. Use your socket wrench to remove the bolts, usually 4 per seat. Next, disconnect any electrical connectors and the seat belt anchors. The trickiest part is often disengaging the steel cable linkage that controls the seat's folding function, which may require a small screwdriver to release tabs. Moving to the front seats, remember to confirm the battery is disconnected and 30 minutes have passed to prevent accidental airbag deployment. Slide each front seat to its extreme forward and backward positions to fully expose the 4 mounting bolts. Gently pry off the plastic covers over these bolts, then remove them with your socket wrench. Tilt the seat back to access and carefully disconnect all electrical connectors, which may include airbag, heater, or power seat wiring. These seats are heavy, so it's best to have a friend help you carefully lift and remove them from the car. Safety is paramount throughout this process. Always wear protective gloves and safety glasses to guard against sharp edges and debris. Be cautious when handling the seats, as they can be quite heavy. For reinstallation, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all electrical connectors are firmly reattached and every bolt is tightened to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. Before putting the seats back in, take the opportunity to thoroughly vacuum and clean the now exposed floor area. With careful attention, your seats will be securely reinstalled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.